Here we are, another weekend in the lovely RV park. Oh look, bricks for sale, $1 each. They're fire bricks. Huh, we got the golf cart home. And I got a cover that I bought off of eBay. So we'll see how this goes. Here it is, midweek. No, I didn't do a video over the weekend. But look at that. Got me a bike. That's my alternative to being able to exercise without having to walk, because my feet have been killing me, remember? So, talk a little bit more later. Well, I'm on the side of the road. I'm not broke down. Just out here walking the dog. Denison, Texas. Got to make a delivery in the morning right there, so just kind of hanging out, doing what I gotta do. I got here early because they this particular load, it takes them a couple hours to unload, so I wanted to make sure that I was here early. Let me get back in the truck. April, why are you walking out in the street? That red light though. I got red lights in here too. Remember? Oh, I gotta use the key to unlock my shit. See? Got my red lights going on down there. Come on, April. All right, back in the truck. See? I got those LED lights down there. All that is a TV kit. You can get them at Walmart for like $5. Oh, you climb up here. Look, see, I can walk back here. Turn on some more lights. Boom, lights everywhere. I wish we can just I can't adult today. So, what do we want to talk about? Get that focused. We want to talk about how I'm just like you. Well, maybe not some of you. Some of you are in a better situation than others. As we know, me and my family, we've been a little down and out, trying to stay positive, trying to keep moving forward. But I mean, it's a constant battle to stay a mini trucker, to keep that truck that's not getting worked on. I got two of them that are not getting worked on. I'm looking at probably another 2 or 3 years until I can even build on the Mazda. I mean, I go through a lot of times where I'm just thinking, I'm just gonna quit. I'm gonna go ahead and sell the truck. I can't do this no more. And that idea comes across my mind a lot of the time. And it's rough. I'm trying to turn off all this extra noise in here. It's rough. Every day it's a struggle in your brain. Should you keep it? Should you let it go? I mean, I've been selling shit out of my house. I got somebody coming over tomorrow morning to buy bricks. I'm finally getting those bricks sold. Hopefully he wants to buy them all. Because that'll give us another lump of money that I can put towards another build to try to get something paid off. I don't want to get rid of the mini trucks. I don't want to let mini trucking die in my driveway by just letting it go. And then maybe the next guy won't know what he's doing, and then it ends up in the junkyard. And then what? Then it's gone completely. And you find out about it on Facebook. Somebody's at the junkyard and they're like, "Oh man, look at your truck. It's right here," and they send you a picture of it, and it's just, man, that messes you up. I've had that happen before, a few times. I don't want that to happen again. Every time you let a truck go, you're wasting time of a dream that you eventually are going to want to go back to. If you change, fine. You want to end up being a tuner or 4x4 guy or whatever, that's fine. But pick something and stick to it. I made the mistake over the years of jumping from one thing to another thing and losing my way a bunch of times and losing my ass on money. I mean, how much money are you going to waste before you finally figure out I need to stick with this? So, anyway, that is a really big thing. Is don't waste time. I've had several trucks. If I would have kept them, they'd be finished. A lot of people say, "Oh, you never finish a truck." Yeah, you finish a truck. But once you finish the truck, what never stops is the maintenance and upgrades that you do to the truck at that point of finishing. Because when you finish it, you're probably gonna need new bags. You're probably gonna need new valves. You might need new airlines. You can upgrade your air compressors, upgrade lights. You know, there's always gonna be something that's next cutting edge on the market that you're gonna want for your truck. And that's where I want to be. God, I want to be there. I want to be at that point where my truck is done and I can just do upgrades. The Toyota, it's a perfect example. It was there, and if I would have kept it, I could have just kept doing upgrades to it. Don't be me. Don't be me. Sorry that there was no weekend video. There was quite a bit done. We got a lot of those leaves and stuff raked. We got the wooden porches moved to the back and kind of broke down. We got to burn those. The golf cart, as you saw, is at the house. That's about the only thing we did do. There is a fly right here, and it is pissing me off. Damn it. I'm going to get that sumbitch. It's one fly in this whole truck. And it comes around and hits me in the head every now and again. It's making me mad. And then it lands somewhere real close to you, and it's like, what's up? You can't get me. I'm going to kill that sumbitch. But anyway. So, what else? Yeah, got the golf cart there. Got the porches moved. We had a barbecue. Mom and Lynn came over. So we got to hang out with them for the day. What else? We did a little bit of shopping. So yeah, all that's on the up and up. You've seen that I got my bike. So now I can ride that. Yeah, that's it. This weekend, again, it's pretty much the same goal. Need to pick up some boxes from storage and bring them over. I'm probably gonna have 2 days, Friday and Saturday. So I'm really hoping I get Friday and Saturday off, because then that way I'll have enough time to do a bunch of stuff. But it's gonna be freaking hot, man. Sometimes it's hot, and then sometimes it's freaking hot, and it's gonna be freaking hot. And I know a lot of you guys are feeling that. Some of you guys that work out in the heat, man, I feel for you guys right now. I mean, all the way up to freaking Nebraska. My buddy Nick up there, he drives a old ass dump truck that ain't got no AC, and it blows hot. His boss don't mean to laugh at you, Nick. I really don't, but his boss hooked him up with a cooler with ice, and it's got piping that goes through it with a little blowhole on the other side and a motor on the back side with a fan, and it blows air through these hoses so he can get a little shot of cold air coming out the other hole on the other end. I'm like, really? Man, his boss needs to just fix his freaking AC or buy a truck that's got some. I mean, it's 100 and something degrees up in Nebraska right now. I feel for you, Nick. Love you, brother. So, but no, it's hot everywhere. But I'm gonna go ahead and cut this, because we're at about 10 minutes or so, and we will see you guys this weekend. I am gonna be breaking out the camera, and we will be recording whatever, but just sometimes I don't feel like picking up the camera. I picked it up once for that shot of the golf cart at the beginning, but I didn't do anything else. So We'll see you guys later. Go make yourself old on that app that's flying around all over the place. Actually, there's a channel I want to mention. If you made it to here, then you know you're worthy of it, of hearing of this channel. I found a channel. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not getting paid any extra or whatever for giving them a plug. But it's called what's it called again? It's called Yes Theory. That's all it is. Yes Theory. And they got so much good content. I'd really like to touch and talk about what they're doing on their channel. Go check their channel out. It's just really inspiring what they're doing around the world, bringing people together. And that's something that not only can you do just in regular life, but it's something you can do within our own community, within the gearheads. You know, it doesn't have to be just mini truckers. It could be everybody united. All the 4x4 guys, the donk guys, the lifted guys, lowered guys, dune buggy guys, anybody who's messing with a vehicle, motorcycle guys, everybody should be able to come together as one big group and not hate on each other. And that's, you know, that's what they're doing, is they're bringing together different countries, different genres of life, male, female, all coming together that don't know each other and just having a good time. And that would be an awesome concept, an awesome thing in life. I would absolutely love that. Of course, human nature is to find something wrong with everybody, and there's always going to be at least one person that's going to be like that. And we could touch on I can talk forever on stuff like that. But anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Got a lot of good stuff coming up, a lot of my life and shit that I'm going through, and hopefully you guys can pick up some shit that I'm doing wrong, and then that way you won't do it wrong in your life. So we'll talk to you guys on the next video. See you guys this weekend. Later.